Hello, future developer. If you are studying on a web development course or you are just curious, what are those magic clickable buttons on the websites are and how they work? So then today's workshop would be something interesting for you. It doesn't take longer than 30 minutes. Please install Notepad or other software indicated in the description for this video and start program the buttons for the website by Damir Kumukov today with us. Okay, Damir, go ahead.
Okay, so today I will show you how to make a button using HTML and a little bit of CSS. But first, we need to know what HTML and CSS stands for, right? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And basically, HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. It describes the structure of the web page and consists of a series of elements. Also, HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. And CSS basically stands for cascading style sheet with the emphasis placed on style. While HTML is used to structure a web document, CSS comes through the specifies your document style, like the layouts, colors, fonts, and everything. And basically, the HTML button element represents a clickable button used to submit forms or anywhere in a document for accessibilities. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that I wanted to share with you. And this is, oh wait, I'm gonna share my screen. So here you can see me. I put a simple button right here on a blank web page. So this is for CSS, and this is the whole code for a button, for a simple button. So it's a button, it's a type button. Then value, that which means what's going to be displayed, the text here. See, I said button, and then on click. So what is it going to do when you click on it? So here I decided to put a YouTube link. So Windows location href, and you paste the YouTube link right here. And the class is used for the CSS right here. I put the simple CSS code just to make it round, and yeah. But with this code, you can make it anything you want. Green, red, I don't know, whatever your favorite color. You can make it like huge on the whole screen or a little button. So here's what it does for now. So you click on it, and it automatically recalls you. Yeah, and that happens all the time. So you click on it, it recalls you. You can paste any link for it, for YouTube link or even a website link. You can click on it like as your source. So you type an article, and at the bottom of your page you can add this button and say your sources, and when you click on it, it takes you to the other web page. So yeah, let's make a simple web page right now. Right here, and always start with doc type HTML. Oops. HTML like that, right? Yeah. Okay, I did it right. We open up HTML as you. Okay, then we make the title. Our title is gonna be just buttons. Buttons, and close it. Title, right? Okay. Oh yeah, we paste the CSS. I accidentally wrote it at the bottom. So here's the CSS. So as I said, this code links your HTML code to your CSS. You can't make two separate codes and then expect them to connect just because they have like the same name or something. Yeah. Okay. After this, oh yeah, I forgot to open our head, and then we close it right here. Yeah, right here. Okay, we open our body. So this is where all your text is gonna be, maybe pick your background pictures or anything. Okay, open body, open our header, that, then H group, yep. And then here's, we can put our image source is, let's find a good image. So HTML buttons, like that. We click on here, and let's add this one, yeah, or this one, yeah, I like this one. Okay, we copy the image address, this, and then we just paste it in here. Yeah, paste it in here. Then we do that and close it. Okay. Then we open our H1. This is like where we, the title of our section or something. Yeah. Let's say just, what are HTML buttons? Yeah, buttons. And we close it. Like that. Then I think we close our H group. Yep. Then open our paragraph. P stands for paragraph, and where you mainly write your text. So HTML buttons represent, right? Is that how you write it? Represent. Yeah. I cannot write. Clickable button used to submit forms or anywhere in a document for accessibilities. In a document for accessible standard button function. Yep. Well, you can write more if you want, but I'll keep it simple and do that. Then we close our, we close it. That, close our paragraph. That's capital. And then we break a line, or, oh no, we close our header. Yeah. Close our header and open a section. So this is going to be just a simple web page. If you want, you could add more CSS to it, but maybe I'll add it later. Then we open our article, open our H2. So it's basically like H1, but over 2. Yeah. We can write about. We can write, what is HTML and CSS, right? It's we close it. Close it like that. Yeah. Open our paragraph, and then write, so HTML stands for hyper text markup language. Okay. HTML describes the structure of the web page. And also tell the browser how to display the content, yeah, like that. And then CSS, yeah, or we can just do that. We close it, and then we do BR, which stands for break a line, so everything doesn't get smooshed on your web page. Okay, we break a line, open another paragraph, and CSS stands for cas cascading style sheets, cascading style sheets, um, and comes through oops, where am I right? It comes through the specifies no yeah, we just do and specifies your document style. So we put that and say it changes colors. It can change your fonts for your text or anything. Layouts, yeah, yeah, that's how you layouts. Yeah, just colors, fonts, layouts, and of course the background. So we close our paragraph and close our BR. Okay, yeah. So then we close our field set, and we can add another background image src. We can find, let's do just HTML, right? As let's add this one. I like this one, or we can do a transparent one because I like them. I like transparent. Image source like that, and then put it like that. And boom. Okay, let's see how our web page looks like. Oh, okay. So, what are HTML buttons? What is HTML and CSS? So we have that. We have our definitions and our definitions for buttons, our picture, and our button that rickrolls us every time we click on it. Or if you want, you can change whatever your button is. Um, maybe let's try a new web page and call it save as. Websites here. It's just say buttons, right? Another buttons to that HTML. So we can make it that every time you click on the button, it goes to the other HTML. So we write it as input type button value. The name of our button is going to be just click here, and on click, it's going to go to buttons to that HTML. Yep, just like that. And then we make it as a class, button 1, and then close it. Oops, close it. Oh yeah, close that. Okay. I'm gonna hope it works. So click here. Oh, it doesn't work, I guess. Well, you could do that, but I don't know how. um, and of course you can do also. Where is it? And then on click button on click, yeah. It can go to that on click. It's gonna go to effects wiki. Do that. I think this should work, right? Save it. Oh, doesn't work. Well, I don't know, but you can do lots of stuff with buttons. To be honest, you can you can customize them in CSS, which I could do, but you could customize your HTML add buttons in CSS. We can close that, and then yeah, I think I went over everything that I needed. You know what HTML and CSS stands for. You know what buttons stand for and what they do, and how to make them. So I think, yeah, this is all, and yeah,